Today, I'm gonna make the longest one. Do you even understand the one? Did you understand the one? Okay, ready, set, go! The one, 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 go. The one, 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 the one. Hey, it's really exciting watching me until the end, so I'm just gonna show you a finished project. Well, that was all the ones. Were you surprised how much ones I did? Great job. Also, make sure to buy these glasses from Teo.com. Also, watch the melon figure challenge on shorts or videos. I did quite good on that one, so I'm wearing these glasses because they're cool. Okay, goodbye everybody. Make sure to go buy these glasses. Goodbye.